What's going on, SNR Life and Pets fam, and welcome back to another video.
So, today we are going to be unboxing, and he's going to be helping me put the cage together. We got Ellie's bird cage in today, so we're really excited. Before we go ahead and get into it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And turn on the bell for notifications on our next videos.
Yes. Okay, so he's going to go ahead and open it. Oh, pretty girl. Here's your scissors for her. Whoa. That's all together? Alright guys, so that big thing is what it is. I'm gonna get the thing out of here. Uh-oh. This is the big, I don't know if you can see it. So these are like all the screws, and then there's the little rolly things for the bottom.
Alright guys, so I just cut the zip ties off, so I'm going to take out all the parts here. This looks like a door. I mean a wall.
Yeah, it's a one.
This must be the bows. This is the stand. This is the stand. Now I gotta cut this off.
What is that?
This is the door.
So pretty.
Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna read the directions and then I'm gonna start putting everything together.
I'm excited. Are you excited, pretty girl? Hello. Look at the major upgrade you're gonna have. I'm so excited. So it's me, Susie. As you guys can see, I rolled the big cage into my office, and here's Baby Girl. She's literally on top of it. That's how big this thing is. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm in my office because Beto. My husband, he's in the living room. If you guys can't hear that, he's watching Creed. But he helped me a lot more than I thought he would with the whole cage. He practically did it, but yeah, I did help. I did help. So, anyways, it was just to kind of tell you guys the instructions, we felt like kind of made it more complicated. Like we were trying to follow the instructions and then we were just like, man. And we just kind of decided to do our own thing because it became a little bit more self-explanatory after we looked at like what we're dealing with. So, yeah. Um it's all good to go now. And it's all put together. So I have these little wipes here. It's just diluted like vinegar towels, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the whole cage, just because, you know, I mean, it was shipped here and everything, but just in case, I want to get everything all nice and clean and fresh. And then I'm gonna start putting the accessories in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, so we can hurry up and put the baby in there. Anyways, let's get started. I'm super excited. See you. Okay guys, so we are all done with the cage. This is what it looks like. I might just leave it like that for now. I might do some moving around and everything. I need to put some food and water in the bowls. See what I mean? It just like looks better. It just looks like it goes with the whole thing. But it's so cute. I'm so excited for her. She's eating right now. But I think I'm gonna get this situated. I'm gonna ask Roberta to help me, you know, kind of situate the spot where this is gonna go. And then I'm gonna put her in because I don't want to like be moving it around with her in there. I'd rather just get it situated first. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. Go inside. It's your new home, mamas. Look how big the mansion is. Whoa. Look how big Mama is. I think she's like shook. She's just sitting there like, what am I supposed to do? Here is the cage again. Here she is. She is definitely enjoying herself. She's already started kind of wandering around and figuring out stuff, you know, being curious and whatnot. Are you playing with the toy? I don't want to get too close because I feel like she gets like nervous. But she's getting kind of like mellow and tired as well. She's still curious, but she's getting quite tired because it's past her bedtime. But yeah, so she is right here next to Storm. Don't mind his stuff. He always kicks out his poo. But she's right next to him right now, and Freya used to be here, so now Freya is right here, and that's actually where her cage used to be. But I think it's really cute, little like cornered up there and everything. So that's where she's gonna be for now. But yeah, obviously this is like really big and wide, so I just wanted it more like in the open. My big girl. What are you doing, silly girl?
So we hope you hope. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. The cage was not hard to put together, and I really think that the bird is gonna like it.
It's
has a
huge.
lot more room than what she had now, or what she had.
It
So
is. It is really nice, and it's big. It's a little bigger than I thought, but I do love it. And budgies are flight birds, so it's very important for them to have more room. She's just gonna have more room. But yeah, it's definitely nice, and it was easy to put together. We feel like the instructions just made it like so much worse because it just made it like seem like it was more complicated than it really was, right?
yeah, I got mad. I was reading them, and then I threw them on the floor, and I was like, you know what? Let's just put it together.
Yeah, and it just got so
Like
much
the
less
pieces
complicated.
didn't even have numbers or labels or anything,
No, on the
but on the
paper,
paper it did. So
yeah, the paper was like this is A, B, blah blah, but there was nothing on the actual pieces. But yeah, so it came out awesome. We're so happy. She really likes it. She finally got a little bit more comfortable and started getting curious about it. So yeah, I do just want to go ahead and state if you guys do like that cage, I'll put the link below. It is an actual parrot cage, so you could put bigger birds in there. I just got it for my budgie just because I feel like the price for what I was gonna get versus that, it was just unbeatable. And like I said, she's just gonna have a lot more room. But bigger birds can fit in there. So if you have a bird at home and you wanna get them a nice cage, go check it out.
and give us any ideas on future videos if you guys have any, or if you guys want to see um, videos like challenges or anything like that. Just let us know what you guys enjoy, and we'll do them.
Yes, we definitely want some more ideas, so let us know. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, comment, and share as well.
And hit the little bell icon for notifications for our next videos.
Alright, guys, we are about to hit the sack. Good night, and see you later.
Peace.